After wearing a mechanical watch for 2 or 3 years, the rubber waterproof gasket starts to age. The movement's lubricating oil dries up, and that can cause wear on the parts inside, affecting both accuracy and lifespan. That's why regular maintenance is so important. Choose Singapore Watch Repair Service Center with a fully transparent process. Drop it off in the morning and pick it up in the afternoon. Clear prices, clear services, no hidden costs. Click the link on our homepage below the video and get in touch with us today.